Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create the surface model of a gasoline bottle. It is and simple. 1, 2, 3 part. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a sketch. Sketch is like XY plane. Then create a rectangle. Make dimension 120 and 230. We need to select the full line, convert to reference. Next, create full circle. And construct full circle equal diameter 50. Next, create arc tangent. The radius 800. Tangent radius 350. Next, we need middle curve. Okay, finish. Oh, here, no. Finish. Consult, yes. Next, select extrude. We need stop and select. Okay, nice. Distance 200. Okay. Next, we need create a new sketch on XY plane. So, create a rectangle. And make dimension. This angle 50 and distance 100. These two 125 30 20. Okay, finish. Leave the sketch. Yes. Next, we need to select revolve and select this line. Vector, select this line. 360. Yes. We need head the sketch. Next, we need select code and use parametric codes. So we need to select this face. And U direction. We need to select through points. We need to select all. select the 8 point, this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. You see it? Yes. Next, we need to use bridge code. Create the bridge code. Select. Okay, quickly do it. We need double click. Okay, nice. Okay, we finished it. Next, we need to use the surface and select slow curves match. Okay, next tangent. Curves, select the 8 curves. Single curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 we need add the first one curve. Oh, sorry. And we need position tangent. Select this. Another tangents. Soiled. Okay. We need add the bridge code. And unit. The 3 body. And edge blend 50. Okay. Next, shell. Select this. 2 mm. Okay. We need to change the plane. And we need shoe. Okay, nice. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.